Jinja2, how to put a block in an if statement. I am trying to use an if to determine which block should fill my %block content %. I have a base.html, which has a default %block content %, and this template is extending base.html. So I tried this. And I was expecting to see blah 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 if condition was true and see the default block if it wasn't true. But both times I got blah 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 blah. Then I tried this one. And I got this error. How can I put a block inside an if statement?
You cannot make a %block conditional. Once you use the tag, the block is always going to be filled in. Put your conditional inside the block instead, and use super to instruct Jinja to use the original contents of the block as defined in the template.
If you want the same, please consider subscribing.